Hello dear everyone. Today I discuss about the chapter matrices which comes from matrix. This is the plural form of matrix. Matrix is a Latin word. This is matrix. This is a Latin word. Now matrix, at first we need to know what is matrix and what purpose it is used. Before start definition of matrix, we discuss what purpose it is used. Actually, matrix are used various type of space. Matrix used plotting of graph of statistics portion. Matrix used security purpose where decode where a security is decode and encode. Matrix is used of a physics application part. Physics application part such as optics portion, quantum mechanics portion, such as electrical circuit. Physics are also used for a matrix is also used for 3D games and is used in various space of mathematics. But here we just discuss about matrix, type of matrix, and how to solve any algebraic equation by using matrix. Now at first I discuss what is matrix. A matrix actually data. Data मतलब तो any data can be represent in row and column, or that is organized in row and column can be represented as a matrix. That is any data. Suppose 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 a company has three factory. Let us consider these factories are X, Y, and Z. This is factory, and each factory have commodity, commodity are A, B, C, D. Now let us consider X factories commodity of ABCD are 0, 7, 3, 2, Y ka 2, 3, 4, 5, and Z has 3, 2, 7, 0. This can represent such this type bracket. This can written as 0, 2, 3, 7, 3, 2, 3, 4, 7, 2, 5, 0 under bracket of this. This information relating to production can be displayed by these following array. Clearly, each row represents the number of units of particular commodity, and each column represents the number of the units of different commodity produced in a particular factory. With this sense in advance, the above array can be written as follows. This. Such an array of number arranged in row and column is called a matrix. Such an array of this number is called a matrix. How define this? Just note it. Just note this. A matrix और a rectangular array, ऐसे लिख देते हैं rectangular array of mn number of mn numbers, a rectangular array of mn numbers in the form of m horizontal, in the form of m horizontal line, this called row, m horizontal line, this called row, and n vertical line, this called column. That is a rectangular array. जैसे क्या था, जैसे प्रीवियस एग्जांपल दिया मैंने, रेक्टेंगुलर एरे ऑफ mn नंबर्स, उसमें नंबर कितना होगा, जितना रो और जितना कॉलम है उसको मल्टीप्लाई करने से उसका नंबर आ जाएगा. और एक mn नंबर्स इन द फॉर्म ऑफ m हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन एंड n वर्टिकल लाइन, मतलब वर्टिकल लाइन इज कॉल्ड कॉलम, इज कॉल्ड a matrix, is called matrix, and its plural form is matrices. Okay, each and this type of array is enclosed, by this or this type of bracket, and a matrix is generally denoted by capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D, dot dot dot, B C D, capital dot dot dot. Each of mn numbers of matrix is known as element of a matrix. Each of mn numbers, जितना mn नंबर है उसमें एक एक एलिमेंट नंबर को कहते हैं मैट्रिक्स एलिमेंट. क्या कहते हैं? मैट्रिक्स एलिमेंट, उसको कहते हैं मैट्रिक्स एलिमेंट. क्लियर? नाउ मैट्रिक्स, here matrix the form of each element of matrix are denoted by aij. What is I? I means 1 less equal to I less equals to m, and j, that is 1 less equals to j less equals to n, and each element are represent aij, and matrix represent as aij m cross n. M is row and n is column. Then an m cross n matrix is usually written as, let us consider A, and this is written as A11, A12. 11 means I1, J1, and this is also first row and first column element, first row second column element, dot 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 A1n, A21, A22, A to n, A n1, A n2, A nn element. This is m cross n, here row m row and ये रो कहते हैं इसको, and this is column. This is column and this is row. That is horizontal line is row, vertical line is column. Vertical line is column. Okay. Now I discuss types of matrix. Types of matrix. How many type of matrix? That is different type of matrix. Types of matrix. First, row matrix. If a matrix has only one row and any other column, this is called row matrix, such as 1, 2, 3. That is one row and column has 3 columns. This is row matrix. Column matrix. Column matrix has only one column. That is a matrix which has only one column, but any other row, this is called column matrix. Suppose -1, 2, 3. That is row is 3, column 1. This is column matrix. Now next row, column, and next rectangular matrix. What is rectangular matrix? A matrix which has different row and different column. That is, there is row and column. Their row and column are not equal. This is called rectangular matrix. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 2 row and 3 column. This is a rectangular matrix. That is a matrix in which number of rows is not equal to the number of column, which is called rectangular matrix. A matrix in which square matrix. A matrix in which row and column are equal. Row and column are equal. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 cross 2. Row and column are equal. This is called column matrix. जैसे rectangular के लिए लेंथ ब्रेथ होता था अलग अलग, बट स्क्वायर के लिए क्या होता था? साइड साइड साइड. दैट इज ऐसे ही स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स में इसका रो एंड कॉलम आर इक्वल. दिस इज स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स. This is square matrix. Now next diagonal matrix. Now next, the first discuss about null matrix, then null matrix. Null matrix represent as O, and all element of this matrix are 0. This equals to and any order, and this is any order matrix. That is a 2 cross 3 0 matrix. This is O, represent as O. Next discuss about diagonal matrix. Next discuss about diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix. What is diagonal matrix? A matrix in which first principal diagonal elements are non-zero and all other element are zeros. That is principal diagonal छोड़ के others जो element है all zero होगा. This is called Diagonal obviously square matrix. That is, a square matrix is called diagonal matrix. A square matrix is called diagonal matrix when all non-principal diagonal element are zero. That is ऐसा A, B, C ये प्रिंसिपल डायगोनल एलिमेंट नहीं है, ये तो जो डायगोनल का एलिमेंट नहीं है उसको छोड़ के जो एलिमेंट होगा वो जीरो होगा. दिस इज डायगोनल मैट्रिक्स. नेक्स्ट स्केलर मैट्रिक्स. Scalar matrix. What is scalar matrix? Now, a diagonal matrix is a scalar when just use first diagonal of a particular scalar number, a constant scalar number, that is A. Suppose A. दैट इज डायगोनल मैट्रिक्स से स्केलर मैट्रिक्स आ रहा है, यहाँ ABC हुआ है और स्केलर में क्या होगा, तीनों ही सेम आएगा, तीनों ही सेम आएगा. ठीक है, अलग नहीं होगा, ये सेम नंबर आएगा, यहाँ जीरो होगा, सेम नंबर आएगा तो ये स्केलर मैट्रिक्स हो जाएगा. यहाँ से आ रहा है यूनिट मैट्रिक्स और आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स और आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स. स्केलर नंबर जहां ए हो रहा था वहां ए के जगह पे 1 1 आ जाएगा. दिस इज कॉल्ड यूनिट. यूनिट मीन्स 1. तो स्केलर नंबर which scalar number equals to 1, then this is called unit matrix or identity matrix, and they represent as, and this is denoted by capital I. capital I. ये 3 क्रॉस 3 है तो इसको रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं I3. I3 क्रॉस 3 क्यों नहीं, क्योंकि ये तो यूनिट मैट्रिक्स और स्केलर मैट्रिक्स और डायगोनल मैट्रिक्स होना है तो ये तो स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स होना ही है, तो 3 से ही डिनोट होता है, ये 3 क्रॉस 3 है. ओके, ये तो स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स होगा ही, इस टाइप का मैट्रिक्स. नेक्स्ट अपर ट्रायंगुलर मैट्रिक्स. अपर ट्रायंगुलर मैट्रिक्स. A matrix is called upper triangular matrix when Aij equals to 0 and I greater than j represent as 1 2 3 5 6 0 0 0 7 such as. देखो I greater than g, Aij equals to 0, दैट्स मीन A सपोज ले लिया A 2 3 तो नहीं होगा, A 2 1 सेटिस्फाइड, दैट इज 0. A 2 1 है और ये A 3 1 है, सेटिस्फाइड 0. A 3 2 सेटिस्फाइड, इस टाइप का सेटिस्फाइड होगा तो ये हो जाएगा अपर ट्रायंगुलर मैट्रिक्स. मतलब ये ट्रायंगल जैसा बांध रहा है, इस ट्रायंगल जैसा बन रहा है, उसका जो एलिमेंट हो रहा है उसका एलिमेंट नॉन जीरो होगा, अदर्स जीरो होगा. दिस इज अपर ट्रायंगुलर मैट्रिक्स. सिमिलरली एज लोअर ट्रायंगुलर मैट्रिक्स. लोअर ट्रायंगुलर मैट्रिक्स कैसे होगा. लोअर ट्रायंगुलर मैट्रिक्स के लिए Aij 0 होगा, I लेस देन j हो जाएगा, ये ग्रेटर देन j था, यहाँ Ij इक्वल्स टू 0 व्हेन I लेस देन j. दैट्स मीन मैट्रिक्स टाइप इज 1 0 0 2 3 0 4 5 6. दैट इज, देखो ये एक टाइप हो गया. दिस टाइप इज कॉल्ड lower triangular matrix. This type of matrix, this is total types of matrix. Next class discuss or matrix addition, subtraction, multiplication, etc. Okay.